It's day 40. I've just taken off the front part of my compost bin. So, let's have a look and see. There's a lot of that whitish growth around through it. You can see all the different levels. There's a whole heap of white webbing type fungal growth through there at the base. Now the bottom doesn't seem to have decomposed much. I'm guessing that's because it got quite cool, and that was where the air was mainly entering. It wasn't insulated very well, but that was part of the design. I sort of expected that to happen. Okay, now you can see it's sunk down quite a lot from where it originally was. It's around the pipes, there's still air gaps through there. The cross section itself, each layer has got varying degrees of decomposition. If I grab out a chunk, well, that smells like rotted leaves rather than the horse poo that it once was. I mean, there's absolutely no manure smell whatsoever, which is a great thing. So go deeper in. It's definitely much darker. So you can see where the pipe is. The stuff around the pipe is broken down to an extent where you can barely tell what it once was, so the aeration was definitely working wonders. The particles are much smaller, but given that this is pretty much like horse poo, I can smell absolutely zero manure in this, which is great. Okay. The pile itself is very cool at the moment. Even the stuff around the pipes, where you would expect with the air still coming in that there'd be a bit of heat. If I go deep in the pile, it's a little bit warm, very crumbly. I mean, obviously there's little bits of sticks and the harder fibres of the sugarcane mulch are going to take a while to break down, but this is great compost, so I'm really happy with it. System's obviously working. Now when I put this into the holes where my trees are going to go, that'll help. The worms will kick in, they'll step up to the plate and break this down even further and break up my ridiculously concrete-like clay. So I'm just going to leave this here because I'll be shoveling it out, and as I get in deeper, I'll take a few extra photos and hopefully we can see what it's like at the back where there's a lot more pipe happening. Now you can see on the very edges here in the corners there's a lot of air gaps just due to the cardboard pushing everything out of the way. Stick not quite, that hasn't decomposed at all, so that's fine, but generally the whole mass is quite there's a lot of organic decomposed matter here, so I've got lots to play with. This is great.